Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. Anyway, I hope you enjoy part 3 of the Wendigo series. Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well, and thank you for tuning into Moose Motion. Welcome to part 3 of the Wendigo series, where we'll be continuing, obviously, some of the skeleton, because that's not quite finished yet, layering up some ribs, as well as some facial details, and a lot of other little things. Pun intended. Which you will see later on, especially when it comes to the lower jaw part and the teeth details. Oh my god, that was a little painful, but in all honesty, I'm pretty satisfied with how it looks. Hopefully they don't break so I don't have to replace them a whole bunch of times during the animation process is one thing I'm worried about. So if there is anyone out there trying to make their own little Wendigo, maybe upscale the teeth just a little bit would be my suggestion. However, what I'm trying to do here is try to stay as accurate to the drawing as possible, and well, his lower jaw has fairly fine serrated teeth at the bottom, so we'll see how they turn out. Hopefully they don't break too soon. Speaking of which, if you haven't seen part 1 and 2 of the Wendigo series, be sure to check out the post description below. Links are available in the description. As always, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and if you're already a subscriber, I highly appreciate your support, and be sure to have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss any of my new content. Also, be sure to share with your friends. It would be nice to have my little community grow a little bit more, and I definitely appreciate reaching over 150 subscribers. Yay, 151! Thank you so much, and I will continue to work hard to entertain you all. Anyway, that's enough from me for now. I will see you at the end of the episode. Hello dear viewer, and thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. Anyway, we didn't get any clay on this episode, unfortunately. This sculpty stuff is a little harder to work with than normal plasticine, I must admit. Although it is turning out quite good if I don't say so myself. The little jaw here is quite impressive. I'm happy with how that worked out, even though it has been quite painstakingly, well, monotonous. But at least at this point, all the hard stuff is over, except for the antlers, which will also have to be done in oven-baked clay. As always, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and share with your friends. Anyways, that's enough for me. Till next time, take it easy. Oh, you're still here. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. Cheerio!